Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video it's kind of an unboxing, but it is cruise gear. So this is going to be part 2 to cruise gear what a newbie buys, because this will be our first cruise. We're going on in June. It's the end of June till July the 4th. So we will be going on our first cruise and we're super excited. The hubby just bought him a whole bunch of clothes to wear on the cruise. And we had been looking at GoPros and little cameras that we could take on the cruise. And then a friend told Ronnie, a friend at work told him, he had seen these little cameras at Aldi. And Aldi's a little grocery store, but they get in some housewares, different things. So he's like, go check that out. You know, it's only like $70. You get a bunch of accessories with it. And it looks like a GoPro. So we went to Aldi's and we checked it out. Well, Ronnie is always the review guy. He will go on and check the reviews. He wants to know if it's any good, and that's the smart thing to do. He always does it. So after looking online a little bit, we found out, and I can't remember what the name of that camera was at Aldi, but he found a little article that said that company made the same camera for different stores under different names. Okay, but it was the same camera. It's just got a different name for whatever store it's in. So they make the same camera and it's on Amazon. On Amazon, it is called, there is my Amazon box. And my hubby's already opened it and looked at it. It is called the Dragon Touch Action Camera Vision 5 4K. And that's what it looks like. And adjustable view angle, it's good up to 131 feet. And it does Wi-Fi. So on the back, it also tells you some other specifications with the camera. 16 MP something sensor video resolution, goes up to 1080p, and then it's like a 2-inch LCD screen. It's good for Android and iOS. It takes up to a 64 gigabyte card, which is not included. I do need to buy one of those. It comes in 7 languages. It has 2 batteries in here, I do believe, and it is good up to 131 foot without a case. So you don't have to have the separate case. I'm not going to take everything out of here, but it came with a whole bunch of straps and attachments, 2 batteries, and we do have to buy the SD card. I'm just going to pull out my little drawer like I normally do for a table. It's pretty weighty, but here's what just the camera looks like. We have not used it, like I said. We got to get the SD card. It tells you on the back, getting started. There's just 2 buttons on the top, and there's 2 buttons on the side. So super, super easy. Hopefully I am not tech savvy, guys. No way whatsoever. So hopefully I should be able to surely figure out 4 buttons. If not, something's wrong with me. But that's the little camera. It did come with a bunch of, like I said, like a head strap, chest strap, or wrist strap. It comes with a bunch of different straps. They're all like in the back of the packaging there. And then there is another box down inside with more stuff in it. What just fell out, because you know, I always have to drop something. I think it's one of the little batteries. Heck no, Shannon, don't lose that. Okay. So we got that. We ordered it on Amazon. And, guys, I love Amazon. I have Amazon Prime. If you shop a lot online, definitely do Amazon Prime. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm just saying it saves you on a lot of shipping. So we got this on Amazon Prime. It was $49.99, so it saved us $20 as opposed to buying it at Aldi. So I saved 20 bucks on the camera, and it came with basically the same equipment, accessories. So then we knew we had this little camera. We were in Walmart, and Ronnie's over there looking at stuff, and I'm kind of over here looking at stuff, and I saw this hanging because I always go over to the camera stuff and look, because I am on the market for a camera to start filming with, and I always just kind of roam through the camera stuff. And I saw this hanging on a peg. This is the OWN, I guess is how you say it, ONN, the OWN. And it is Action Camera Accessory Kits. 16 essentials for GoPro Hero and other action cameras. So it does say other action cameras. It comes with the case, all kinds of straps and little different clips, and the even like a suction cup mount, I guess you can do for like your car straps, and the water buoy. I definitely wanted this for when we go out to Half Moon Cay. The handheld, and like I said, the case. Oh, it's all in here. The hubby's done took this out and checked it out too. Can't get it open. Yeah, I can. What is this one? See, I've not even looked in here. He took everything out. Oh, this is probably the chest strap. We'll put that back down in there. And then here is, oh, it's got a little handle. Just a plain black kind of nylon case. It's soft, but it is structured. You know what I'm saying? It's probably got like a plastic lining on the inside. So it's not going to completely cave in if you put something on top. All right, cool. Up top you have a net kind of bungee-ish pocket, and there is the handheld. There's the buoy, and there's already, is that a cat hair? How? I don't know. It's like their hair is magic, and it just gets everywhere. There's all the little, I don't even know what all these little bits and pieces are, so I'm not going to take like everything out because I will lose it. Seeing like different bits and pieces. I'm not going to take everything out. And then there's the buoy for in water. There is a hand strap. So all this was, get you back down in there, $20 for this whole set. I thought that was a bargain. Because I was going to go on Amazon and look for the hand buoy for the water, and I saw that at Walmart and thought, oh my gosh, there is a whole set. So I grabbed it and went over and grabbed my hubby. It's like, look at this. Well, this will work on our camera, right? And so we got it for $20. I mean, you can't beat everything that's in there. And the little handheld does telescope. That's awesome. So there is some of our camera equipment, new camera equipment. I can't wait to try this. Once we do get the memory card, and I'll probably order it this weekend, this payday, I will do some filming with that, some test filming, and we can see how it does. And I know EECC Travels that I watch, they do tons of cruising videos, tons of Disney videos. They have a video out on a camera. It's probably the same camera. It's maybe under the different name. But I'm pretty sure it's the same camera. Their video footage looked amazing in their video. And if I can find that video, I will link it down below so you can see what the footage looks like. It's amazing. So for $70, I got a whole setup, guys. $70. So there is the next little bit of our cruise gear that will be going on the cruise with us. So super excited. I cannot wait, you guys. I cannot wait. This is the first real vacation we've had in years and years and years. I will film some of it, not all of it, but I will film some of it because this is our 25-year anniversary. I don't want to walk around the whole cruise like, you know, we want to take some of that time and enjoy just being together and enjoy the experience and not just the whole time be like that. So I will film some of it, but maybe not the whole entire thing. I mean, you know, maybe the next cruise we'll film the whole entire thing. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you have this camera, let me know what you think. Like I said, I got to get the SD card in there first, and then we'll try it out. But from what I've seen with the EECC Travels, their video footage of it, it looked really, 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 really good. And the reviews on it were really, 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 really good. So we'll give it a go and see what it does. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting and hitting the like button. And I will see you guys on the next one.